Imagine you just woke up and there is a stranger staring at you, judging every flaw, every mistake you have made. They don't see anything good. You're critical, they are harsh. And now your heart is racing, your hands are shaking, your mouth is dry. You try to hide in the corner, hoping that the stranger won't see you for the whole day. But then you go to the sleep, hoping that by next morning the stranger will disappear. But they show up again, and the loop goes on. That's exactly how I felt for so many years. I was the scared kid, and I was the stranger who scared her. Growing up in the brown conservative family, there was a constant pressure to be a good girl. I was trying to please everyone around me. My self esteem was so low that I would go quiet in my friends' group, fading into the background. I started avoiding family functions, friends' birthday, hangouts. Alone, I would feel like that I wasn't enough. Often crying on my birthdays, thinking that maybe somehow I was a mistake. I wanted to disappear. It was like I was playing a role of a supporting actor in my own movie. I was losing out on friendship, relationship, and opportunities. And yet, all I wanted was to be seen, to be heard, to feel important and proud. And and so I kept pleasing people around me. And I asked this question to myself that why everyone else seemed so free while I was suffocating in my own skin. It was like I was building a house on a land that wasn't mine. So one day I saw an ad of a pageant, Miss Delhi. I ignored it for days, thinking that मैं कैसे करूँगी ये? Then one day when I was feeling and so alone and heavy, the ad popped up again, like a sign. And one part of me thought, you on stage, are you kidding me? Then there's another part which says that what if you try? क्योंकि जब हम लाइफ के बॉटम पे होते हैं ना, हम कुछ मैजिक होने का वेट कर रहे होते हैं that maybe this will change everything from me. और एक छोटी सी होप भी हमें उस मैजिक की तरह लग रही होती है. So with all my fears and with all my doubts, I entered. So when I entered, I was comparing myself to all beautiful women around me. Again, my hands were shaking, my mouth were dry. My mouth was dry. So I judged myself even before the judges could have a chance to. So, but with all my fears, I continue. And somehow I won the crown of Miss Delhi runner-up. So while I won the crown and I thought कि अरे यही तो वो चीज है जिससे I will feel fulfilled. I thought this is the magic I was looking for. But here's the twist, that the crown did not change anything for me. I thought that the crown will change everything for me. I will feel worth it जब मुझे ये crown मिल जाएगा. But ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. So I have realized कि कोई भी अचीवमेंट, कोई भी विनिंग कभी भी कुछ भी चेंज नहीं करता if I am still a stranger to myself. So while I was processing this episode, life threw me another challenge. My heart was broken because my ex-boyfriend cheated on me. Again, all over again, I was questioning my worth. I was thinking that maybe somehow I was a mistake. I don't deserve love. I don't deserve respect. I don't deserve anything. And after some time of crying and grieving, I asked myself this question, that what if I could be the person who give myself love and respect first? So here's what I learned about self-love. That real change does not comes from others noticing you. It comes when you notice and acknowledge the person you had been ignoring from so long. Second, fill your own cup until it overflows, so that the other person who will come into your life just add to the abundance and not to fulfill the emptiness. So, after this episode of self-love, I have understood this thing कि कभी-कभी you have to be a builder and resident of your own life. आपको खुद ही उसको बनाना पड़ता है और आपको खुद ही उसके अंदर रहना पड़ता है. So, while I was not very confident with all my doubts, I saved 80,000 rupees with my own work. मैंने खुद के पैसों से सब कुछ जोड़ा And even though I wasn't very confident, I left my home and decided कि अब से मैं independently रहा करूँगी. And उस processing में मैंने अपने आप से बोला, अरे तू tension मत ले यार, we'll figure it out together. Together, I don't know why I said it, but along the way मैंने अपने आप से ये बात करी and अपने आप को वो सारी memories को पता नहीं क्यों याद दिलाया जो मैंने अपने best friend के साथ spend की थी. I remember when I was too afraid to participate in the debate competition, my friend told me कि अरे तू टेंशन मत ले यार, मैं हूं ना, हम लोग दोनों मिलके संभाल लेंगे इस कंपटीशन को. And I did it. Another thing, when I remember when I got my first periods, I was so embarrassed, I was so ashamed. But my best friend hugged me and told me कि अरे तू टेंशन मत ले यार, मैं हूं ना, हम देख लेंगे. And उसने मुझे इतना important and loved feel कराया. And there is one more incident जहाँ पे I was too scared to bunk the school. मुझे स्कूल बंक करने में बहुत डर लगता था क्योंकि मेरा हमेशा से सेल्फ एस्टीम लो था. So क्योंकि उसने कहा कि अरे तू टेंशन मत ले यार, we'll figure it out together, and I bunked the school. And उस बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने मुझे अपने पे कॉन्फिडेंस रखना सिखाया. उस बेस्ट फ्रेंड ने मुझे अपने पे ट्रस्ट रखना सिखाया. So इमेजिन करो कि आपकी लाइफ में भी एक ऐसा बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो, एक स्टडी बेस्ट फ्रेंड जो आपके साथ हर हाल में खड़ा होता हो, आपको कॉन्फिडेंट फील कराता हो, आपको प्यार देता हो, आपको ये बोलता हो कि अरे तू टेंशन मत ले, आई विल फिगर इट आउट टुगेदर. So today I can say that my best friend is standing right here with me inside, telling me कि हम सब संभाल लेंगे. And with my heart full of emotions, I can say that I have found my lost best friend. And वो stranger अब हर सुबह मुझे visit नहीं करता. So I want you today. I want you to find your lost best friend too. So when you go home, try this. Stand in front of the mirror and say कि I am enough. I am worthy of love and respect, and I am my own best friend. And ask yourself this question: that what part of me still feels unworthy or incomplete? और उसको मैं कैसे खुद वैलिडेट कर सकती हूँ, कैसे मैं अपना कप पहले खुद भर सकती हूँ, सो दैट सामने वाला बस मेरी अबंडेंस पे ऐड करे और मेरी एम्प्टीनेस को फुलफिल ना करे. दिस माइट सीम सिली इन द स्टार्टिंग, आपको बहुत ऑकवर्ड लगेगा ये करते हुए, बट याद रखना यहीं से इस चीज की शुरुआत होती है, यहीं से आप अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन पाते हो. सो व्हेन यू गो होम एंड ट्राई दिस, next day, try to see a best friend in the mirror. Because every day, every time, there is a choice. So choose to be kind to your friend and say that you can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. Thank you.